Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to share with you all a very important thing which is all about learning English because I am fond of learning English. So that's why whenever I want to share anything important, I share only in English language. So you watch my video but you don't like and you don't appreciate me in comment. So first I request you that please give a like and comment your suggestion or your queries so that I can get motivation to make more such videos and I keep bringing more videos like that. So today in this video I am going to share simple and easy way, easy trick, unique method by which you can learn English gradually. Because in today's era, everybody know that how much English is important. English is used everywhere as a official language in every countries or every state. And most of the important research paper and many important books and many confidential things are written in English language. So that's why English is very important for everyone. So you would have watched so many videos on YouTube, on Facebook. They have their own suggestion, they share their own method. Some people says that you can learn English even in 1 month. People says that you can learn English after watching this my video, but I am not going to say anything like this because I know that learning English is a incredible journey and it's take time because learning language is not a cup of tea that you can learn overnight or after in 1 month. It's take time. It's take time. So you have to just keep consistency and you have a deep connection. You have great desire, strong desire. You should have a strong desire so that you can able to keep consistency. So here in this video I want to provoke you to learn this language. I want to inspire you to learn this language and I will tell you in this video unique method by which you can learn English gradually. So first thing, keep in your mind, first thing, you have to watch English video every day. That's the main thing. You have to watch English video every day, and when you watch that you come across many types of sentences, method, and you come across many new vocabulary, many new words. So when you watch video, English video, that there you observe the sentence structure and meaning of the word. And second more important which help you to learn English is speaking. You have to start speaking because speaking comes after speaking. Speaking helps you to learn this language. It habitual, it make your tongue habitual to speak this language because without speaking it is not possible to learn this language because it is a language and it should be used by mouth that makes your tongue habitual when you speak this language. So you have to watch English video and you have to speak as well every day continuously. I'm not talking for fixed time or fixed time. This is a language and you have to do these two activities every day if you want to learn this language. Then watch English video and speak every day. Whatever you want and how much you have knowledge of English, you have to use that, you have to speak that. And don't afraid of making mistake, because initially making mistake is a common thing. So whenever you make mistake, it's okay, no problem, nobody can judge you, you just have to learn gradually. So that's why making mistake is not a big deal. Gradually your making will be correct if you keep consistency every day. So here I am going to give one instance. Suppose you want to swim. So you will go to the pond or you will go to the swimming pool and you just sit beside the swimming pool or pond, or you will just watch them. So will you be able to learn like that how to swim? Not at all. For that you have to get into the water and you have to try physically that how people swim. So same thing happen in learning language as well. Whenever you want to learn something new, you have to just start physically, so that you can get experience about that, and like that you can learn gradually. So as I told you that for learning how to swim, you have to get into the water and you have to practice how to swim by physically. Like that, if you really want to learn this language, for that you have to start speaking. Earlier I told you that if you make mistake while talking, that's okay, no problem. Initially everybody make mistake. So imagine when you were a child, would you be able to speak correct mother tongue, correct language? Not at all. You observed, you watched people how they speak, and you started speaking one sentence. Not one sentence, first you started speaking one word of your mother tongue, your mother language, and gradually you observed and you learned so many words, and after some days or some month you started speaking simple sentences, and gradually when you become big, you begin to learn more. So like that, you cannot learn English in just 30 days. You have to keep consistency and you have to speak this language continuously every day. Gradually one day you will become a fluent speaker. Yes, this is my point of view. So these two things I have shared with you. First, you have to watch English video, and then you have to speak as well. These two things is very important, very powerful to improve or to level up your English. So if you really want to learn this language, do these two things every day continuously, and definitely after some year you will see yourself as a good English speaker. So that's all for today. We meet in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to hit the like button and comment as well. Thank you. Bye bye.